52, God tells Abraham, take your only son up the mountain and sacrifice him to me. As Abraham and Isaac are walking up the mountain, Isaac says, Father, where's the sacrifice? And Abraham says, the Lord will provide. You know how this story goes. God provides a ram in the bush to be sacrificed instead of Isaac. As you plan out everything you want to accomplish in this new year, remember that just like Abraham, God doesn't need you to know the full details of the plan before you get moving. Many people never become successful because they can't take one single step without knowing the entire plan that God has for them. Think of everything you want to accomplish this year. Is it that same book you wanted to write 3 years ago? Are you still telling your friends and family members about that same business? Are you still trying to lose that same weight you were fighting with from 5 years ago? The Bible tells us faith without works is dead. Simply put, take what God gave you to start, and as you get moving, He'll reveal the rest of the way to you. But you got to put in some work first. So as you plan this year, plan to work. Don't just come up with what you want to happen. Start meditating on how you're going to do it and jump in the arena. And as you begin to get to work, God will work the rest out for you. God bless you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.